So a markup is when you increase the price and you get a profit, right? Yeah. So our second step in markup is you take your wholesale price and you add the profit. This will give you your new price. The price that the customer sees. Does your friend know that you bought a bag of chips for 50 cents?
No.
No. All they know is you're charging them $1, right? So you show up, your friend's like, "Hey, I'll buy that bag of chips off of you." And go, "Cool, give me $1." Does your friend think twice about it?
No.
No, right? They'll just give you $1. They just want chips. Exactly. Well, that's the same thing that happens at the store. So for example, let's just say the wholesale price of an iPhone, let's say, is $80.
What? Is it an iPod?
No. So, let's just say that the cost to make the phone, just to make it, is $80. The parts, the screen, paying someone to actually put it together, this $80. Now, as a customer, do we buy it for $80?
No.
No. But let's say for Apple, it costs $80 to make this. Are they going to charge us $80?
No.
Why? No.
$10.
What do they do? They're going to add their profit, right? They're going to add it a whole lot. Okay, so let's say that Apple will mark up the price by, let's say, 600%. Now, something interesting about markup compared to all the other things we've done these past 2 weeks is that the percent will be large. Taxes are small, 5%, 6%, 8%, 9%. Markups, 50%, 40%. But markups are huge, sometimes over 100%, most of the time. Okay, so the first problem. What was your question? What is the selling price? I know what the price is. The price to make it is $80. This is to make it. They're going to increase the price by 600%. So the selling price is what the customer's going to see. Are we ever going to see $80? No, we don't even have an idea. I'm just guessing. Okay. Yes. So can you imagine how much it actually costs? $10. Yeah. Okay. So 600%. What's the decimal? Okay, so 600%. Whoops. Remember the word deep? This is my percent, and I want a decimal. So how many times do I move it? 2 times. So it's 6.00, right? Do I want to multiply by 0.00? No. So just 6. So we're going to take step 1, 80, and multiply it by just 6. Watch, I can make this work.
Are you drawing like a funny hat?
Yeah, look.
That looks pretty horrible. What is it?
Alright. So the profit is equal to $480. What's my second step? Add. Now, it's okay if you put this number on top. Always put the number with the most digits on top. So 480. Add or subtract the profit? Add. And then 80, right?
Do we call like the 80 original?
Yeah, it's called the wholesale price. Okay, so the selling price is $560. So it's an old version. So can you imagine how much they're marking up the new iPhones?
100%.
Well, that would be less than what we just did.
1,000%.
Maybe 1,000%. Why do they do that? Why can they mark it up so much?
Because they don't want people to
Because
say
it's
that.
just made out of glass. They took away the hole, but it's not.
Okay, yes.
They remove the headphones.
Are people still buying the iPhone even though now it costs over $1,000? Yes.
Because everyone wants to get it.
Everybody wants to get it.
It's just an iPhone.
All right.
It's not the home button.
Let's talk about, let's say, a laptop. Okay? The wholesale price of a laptop is, let's say, $120. So it costs $120 to make the laptop. Am I gonna buy the laptop for $120?
No.
No. Okay? Let's say we're going to mark up the price by 1,500%.
Oh.
Yep, that is. What is the selling price? Someone in my first period is like, oh, you put a Supreme sticker on it. Exactly. I put a Supreme sticker on it, and now I can increase the price by 1,500%. And will people buy it?
Well, actually,
Yes.
and if you put a Supreme case, of course it's going to be one more.
And
So-
if you remove the headphone right here, that's going to be a lot of money.
1,500%. What is the decimal?
15 point, no wait.
Oh.
15.00. So when I multiply it, do I need these zeros?
No.
Well,
So
actually, I know,
120 times 15. Decimal's in the back.
I know why they removed the sticker from the, so they have to buy another adapter to put the thing and then put
It's
the-
all about
No,
making
exactly.
money.
No.
Exactly. So when they changed the adapters on the iPhones, right, a couple years ago, people, like, it wasn't this, the old phones don't have this charging, it has a bigger one, right? And then they made it smaller. Cool. So what people have to do? Buy the new one. Then they got rid of the head, to connect the headphones. Why? So you can buy some new ones. So they create these things, they improve these things, it's fantastic, but you end up spending. Alright, let's multiply this. 0, 0, 10, 5, 6, placeholder 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 8, 1. So my profit is $1,800.
Boy, that's a lot.
Am I done?
No.
No.
Gotta add it now.
Now, I'm going to put this number on top because it has more digits. What am I going to add to this number? 120. So my selling price
That's a lot of money.
is 1,920.
That's a lot, yeah.
Could I still offer you a discount?